Dear students, it is this sixth video about the definition clear for week 4. Is a video about week 4 and the topic of discussion is definition writing. In the previous video we expressed that what definition is, means we defined the definition as a brief description of some person, object and idea so that the very thing may be separated and identified from the other things. Clear? And we expressed the principle of subject, genus and differentia proposed by Aristotle 1000 years ago. And now we are going to express the two of types of definitions. Clear? They become almost 4 types of definitions. The first type is called informal definition. Well, informal definition means to define something, object and idea, just by means of within a phrase, in one word, in a phrase, in a very general, overgeneralized manner, is called informal method of definition. Informal method of definition is not wrong, but that is not brief also. Let's, for example, I write here the word networking. Fine. Define networking. For example, you are a student of computer sciences and your younger brother is also a computer sciences student at matric level. He asks you, my brother, tell me about networking. You say it is connection of computers. Clear? Or it's a connection of computers called networking. Now your definition is not wrong, but that is not standard one also. Fine, because it is oversimplified. It doesn't comprehend or explains the very function properly. Clear? Other day the person goes to his teacher and ask him, sir, define networking. He asked, okay, go and bring your book, and in the book the definition of networking is written that networking is process of connecting the devices through our link with the main server to manipulate the data. Networking is a process of creating links through some source, medium, and connect with the main server to exchange the data is called networking. Devices mean computers or smart devices. What difference you find between the definition you expressed and the definition has been expressed by the teacher, which is more compact? Obviously, the definition expressed by the teacher is called more informed, and that is called formal definition. Formal definition means when you try to cover the maximum phenomena of the object with the rules of genus, differentia, and it expresses like a dictating word as a sentence like formula type. This is called formal method of definition. Fine. These both the methods are applicable and applied according to the situation. Well, proceed further. Formal definition has two other types of definitions. One is called sentence definition, other is called extended or amplified definition. I have given the example of formal definition and sentence definition. Let me clear those people who have watched the video film of Salma film Three Idiots, and there the professor asked, define the machine. Well, the Rancho may be a character there. He says a machine is a specifically designed instrument that takes the less input and gives the maximum output and facilitates the whole the user and the other equipments. Whereas when asked from Amar Khan or something like this, he says machine is a gadget that makes the work easy. So difference is the same, that the Rancho's definition is sentence definition, whereas the person's definition makes work easy is informal definition. Clear? These definitions are called the bookish definitions, fine, but they try to cover maximum. Then comes the extended or amplified definition. Yeah, here is a problem. Sometimes not, but often there are certain phenomena which are not, which are too lengthy, too complicated, too comprehensive, that informal definition, even the formal sentence definition, is incapacitated to elaborate its complete functions. Then we have to express that definition with more sentences by comparing and contrast. Clear? And we have to write even a paragraph, definitory paragraph. This is called extended or amplified definition. Let's, for example, cloud computing. Cloud computing, what difference is between RAM? RAM can be expressed, random memory, whereas cloud computing, when you are explaining a cloud computing, is an extraordinary, magnificent storage somewhere, clear, which accumulates the data and retrieves it with very heavy algorithms and express that, retrieves and expounds the data instantly, this and that. When you express so many things, you have seen it, that I have used many sentences just to express one phenomena. It is called extended or amplified definition. These definitions are there when you are going to express some longer discussions. Fine. I hope that you have understood this. Thank you very much.